white cell. White cell or leukocytes in the blood consist of granulocyte, monocyte, lymphocyte. Granulocyte composed of neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil. Granulocyte and monocytes are formed from bone marrow, coloniforming granulocyte monocyte progenitor cell during myelopoiesis. The first recognizable granulocyte in the marrow is myeloblast, a large cell with a small amount of basophilic cytoplasm and a primitive nucleus with open chromatin and nucleoli. As the cell divide and mature, the nucleus segment and the cytoplasm acquire specific neutrophilic, eosinophilic, basophilic granules. These take about 14 days. The cytokine, granulocyte, colony stimulating factor, granulocyte, monocyte, colony stimulating factor, and monocyte colony stimulating factor are involved in the production of myeloid cell. Recombinant granulocyte colony stimulating factor can be used clinically hasten recovery of blood neutrophil count after chemotherapy. Myelocyte or metamyelocyte are normally found only in the marrow but may appear in the circulation in response to infection or toxic states. The appearance of primitive myeloid precursor in the blood is often associated with the presence of nucleate red cell and is termed leukoerythroblastic picture. This indicates serious disturbance of marrow function. Neutrophil, the most common white blood cell in the blood of adults, are 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter, with a multilobular nucleus containing 2 to 5 segments and granule their cytoplasm. Their main function is to recognize, ingest, and destroy foreign particles and microorganisms. A large storage pool of mature neutrophil exists in the bone marrow. Every day, some 10 to 11 neutrophil enter the circulation, where cells may be circulating freely to or attached to endothelium in the marginating fold. These two folds are equal in size. Factors such as exercise, catecholamine increase the number of cells following in the blood. Neutrophils spend 6 to 10 hours in the circulation before being removed, principally by the spleen. Alternatively, they pass into the tissue and entered or consumed in the inflammatory process or undergo apoptotic cell death and phagocytosis by macrophages. Eosinophils represent 1 to 6% of the circulating white cell. They are smaller size to neutrophil but have a bilobed nucleus and prominent orange granule or Romanowski staining. Eosinophils are phagocytic and their granule contain peroxidase capable of generating reactive oxygen species and protein involved in the intercellular killing of protozoa helminths. They are also involved in allergic reaction, atopic asthma. Basophil, these are less common than eosinophil, representing less than 1% of circulating white cell. They contain dense black granule that obscure the nucleus. Mast cells resemble basophil but are found only in the tissue. These are involved in hypersensitivity reaction. Monocyte are the largest white cell with diameter 12 to 20 micrometer and an irregular nucleus in abundant pale blue cytoplasm containing occasional cytoplasmic vacuole. These cells circulate for a few hours and then migrate into tissue, where they become macrophage, Kappa cells, antigen-presenting dendritic cells. The former phagocytes, debris, apoptotic cells, microorganism. Lymphocytes are derived from the pluripotent hematopoietic stem cell in the bone marrow. There are two main types: T cell, which mediated cellular immunity, and B cell, which mediated humoral immunity. Lymphocytes that migrate to the thymus develop into T cell, whereas B cell develop in the bone marrow. The majority 80% lymphocytes in the circulation are T cell. Lymphocytes are heterogeneous, the smallest being the size of red cell and the largest the size of neutrophil. Small lymphocytes are circular with scanty cytoplasm, but larger cells are more irregular with abundant blue cytoplasm. Lymphocyte subpopulation have specific function and lifespan can vary from a few days to many years. Cell surface antigen cluster differentiation antigen which appears at different point of lymphocyte maturation and indicate the lineage and maturity of the cell are used to classify lymphoma and lymphoid leukemias.